What do you think of S. Jaishankar? On a scale of 1 to 10, where would you rate him?
I think there is no linear scale that you can rate a diplomat on.
You can't. We do it in the service all the time when we have to promote people.
While that is true, sir, I think there are certain parameters.
What do you think of him as a foreign minister?
Sir, I think he's doing really well in terms of promoting India, whether it comes to public diplomacy or financial proliferation, etc. So I
Financial?
think proliferation of India's interests. So in terms of economic diplomacy, taking India's investment.
Why do you want to join the foreign service?
So there are a few of reasons. The first one being I've been an avid debater across my school and college life. So the communication skill set that I come with.
In the foreign service, we don't debate. Go ahead. I belong to the foreign service.
Yes.
Class of 1973. Before your father was born. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So whilst we don't debate, I think that blesses you with a communication skill set, whilst also having the ability to think on your
ये तो
feet.
सब है. Why do you want to join? एक skill set बनाने के लिए?
So to bring the skill set and to further pursue my interest in international diplomacy and international relations.
I see myself in you. You have the same attitude that I did of being stubborn, of being oversmart, of thinking that I know everything. You don't and I don't. If you don't know anything, don't beat about the bush. In the foreign service, we're very careful. Say, I don't know. We prefer honesty and integrity. May God bless you.
Thank you.
And welcome to the foreign service. If you